you're new to the channel, my name is Redesigned. I'm a 27-year-old web designer and SaaS founder living in Kingston, Jamaica. On this channel, I'll document my journey from 0 to 10K per month, building lead finder, B2B lead generation software that helps web designers to get clients, and Kcom's an AI calorie tracking app that I'm currently working on. And also, as a web designer, I do freelancing, build websites for businesses to help them get more revenue. Alright, so my website. Been building so many websites for other persons, studying websites, but mine wasn't up to par. So I'm gonna put it on screen. You can see it now, showing off all my projects, the services I offer, as well as my prices. You can go on it, you can pay. So the problem with the old website, I didn't think it was showing off my projects in a good way, eye-catching, so that when people see it, they can say wow. So now if you go on it now, you can go see the project, click the live link, and we'll give a little detail about the project. So if you need to build a similar website, you can literally just reach out to us. It's easy. So I wasn't really focusing on a portfolio because most of my land clients, I see it where they need a website, I build a mock-up and just send to them. So if they like the mock-up, then they just go ahead and we work. So I wasn't really focusing on a portfolio. But now if I'm able to build my personal brand a bit and I show this portfolio, you can go on the website, click the live links, check them out and see that I know my stuff. If you don't have the full amount, don't worry, we can work out a package where we can work with what you have. You won't get the highest package website, but we can still work within your budget. So hit me up and we can work together. Email me at info@portraitmodeja.com and we can get that done. So thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. That subscribe button has not been moving. We need to get to 1K. That's my goal. So as you know, on this channel I document my journey with web design, lead finder, the SaaS, and Kcom, the app. If for some reason, let's say Kcom takes off and that's making all the money, I might just go full-time on that. If it's web design, I might just go full-time on that. But for now, still experimenting a bit. So join me on this journey. I'll be documenting everything from 0 to 10K per month. Thanks so much for watching.
Get on you to have a dream. Just go and work, the money soon come in. And no make nobody tell you nothing. Tell them say whatever them do, you come out to nothing. You're not afraid to be yourself. Just live for you and nobody else. Look up, Francis.